Okay, this is a quick how-to on the 3-watt Rycom transmitter. This is used to light up the entire push rod for locating, making it simpler to do your locating. So 82 kilohertz is what I have this set on. You have different frequencies you can choose from, ranging from about 6 kilohertz up to 82 for your line locating. The lower the number, the deeper the signal will let you get. Now when you're line locating, instead of being perpendicular to your push rod like we were for the sound, we want to be in line with the push rod. Also important, I got to make sure I switch it from 512 hertz to 82 kilohertz to match the signal that's being put out by the transmitter. So now again, kind of like a metal detector, you're going to sweep left and right, and where you get the high point of the signal is where your line is at. Again, your compass should give you some direction when you're over top of it. So it's the same thing. If I pull to the right, it's going to drop. If I pull to the left, it's going to drop. When I'm on it, we got a real nice signal. So that's really the main difference in locating. The transmitter is very easy to use. The connection points, one lead is going to a ground in the ground, literally. If you don't have dirt available to stick the ground line into, you can connect that to a ground on like an electric box or something you know is grounded. The other lead is going to connect right to the frame on a travel light model. This bolt here makes a fantastic spot to connect. On the Opticam model, you connect right near the brake on a piece of bare metal frame, not on powder coated paint. So once you've got those connections in place, locating is very simple. Basic thing, line locating 82 kilohertz, same direction as your push rod. Sound locating 512 hertz, perpendicular.